Vice President Biden, your reaction, and just 40% of Americans say they would definitely agree to take a coronavirus vaccine if it was approved by the government. What steps would you take to give Americans confidence in a vaccine if it were approved?
Make sure it's totally transparent. Have the scientists of the world see it, know it, look at it, go through all the processes. And by the way, this is the same fellow who told you this is going to end by Easter last time. This is the same fellow who told you that, don't worry, we're going to end this by the summer. We're about to go into a dark winter, a dark winter.
Y'all, our water in Texas is now contaminated with parasites. If y'all in Texas, please do not drink the water. The water is now contaminated in Texas, y'all. They are sending warnings out telling people do not drink the water.
Sir, please share this.
Do not brush your teeth with the water. Do not wash your face with the water. So pretty much they tell y'all to run the water to keep the pipes from freezing. But yeah, the water in Texas now has parasites, y'all. Do not drink the water. Please share this video.
Put the camera on.
It is very important.
Put the light on.
Do not drink the water, y'all.
So y'all folks can see this is actually coming out of our water, y'all.
This is coming out the faucet, y'all.
Oh, need to focus. It's a focus.
Y'all.
Videos and just trying to make the best out of this, and then when we got the message to check our water, to not use the water, to boil it for 5 minutes, we just wanted to check it, and so this is what we came up with. I don't know what the hell this is. They're telling us not to even wash our face with it.
I don't even know if that die if you boil it.
Yep, this is why they telling us we can't wash our face.
This is terrible.
These folks in Texas know. I need to tag that post that they had. Oh, video.
Please share this video. Let everybody know that Texas is in a state of emergency. People don't have food here. People doesn't have electricity here. People is freezing to death here. Even the people that has cars, they can't even go back out and sit in their cars, charge their phones up, try to reach out to anybody because the gas stations are completely out of gas. The 87 gas has been told that it's frozen. They was only having 93 gas as well, and that gas is running out now. So, with that being said, people cannot even go in their cars to warm up.
It's good. Keep it right there.
They all dead at the bottom. Ew.
Oh my God, my sister picked it up and said they all dead at the bottom. Pick it up for the whole world to see this. Oh my God. Oh my God, look. So they still want us to drink it. Yeah, they all dead. Oh my God, I'm finna cry. Hold it up, put it in the air. Hold it in the air. Oh my God, I'm finna throw up. I'm finna fucking die. I'm finna die.
Y'all kept it, y'all. Our water in Texas is now contaminated with parasites.
I'm not finna go out.
to warm themselves, you guys. I'm telling you right now, they don't have gas. My best friend has slept in her house for 2 days. Freezing temperatures. And they don't have rooms. Why? Because all of these so-called workers, you know, the people that got money to be out here, they're not really out here working. They're out parked at the hotels enjoying the warmth, as you just heard the man. And if you didn't hear the man, go back and hear the man say, ma'am, it's not even us. It's not even us. It's the governor saying it could have been worse. People died. What do you mean it could be worse? They don't care about us, and all they have opened up for us is warming centers at the convention center with the National Guard. Now they tell you don't call 911 because they know the power is out. But they got the National Guard to come take you to the warming center where they ask you if you've been vaccinated. If y'all don't wake the hell up, I'm telling y'all that right now. Yes, I said that. Dr. Tawana Worlds, minister, servant of the Most High God, that loves God with all my heart, my soul, my strength, and my mind, as well as love my neighbors. Okay? I said that. And oh, by the way, we ain't got no gas. We ain't got no food. We ain't got no power. It's below freezing. And now they saying boil the water. Well, how you gonna boil the water if you ain't got service? And you know how I tell you that the storm didn't take out this power? Because half of the people, especially the elite and the wealthy, they got power. They got power. Now, if the storm took out the power, everybody should be equal on an equal plane, right? Shouldn't be nobody that have power. But how in the hell do you got 2 houses with lights, and then 2 houses right next door to those 2 houses with no lights, and then 2 houses with lights, and then 2 houses right next door with no lights, and then 2 houses over here with lights, and then 1 house in between with no lights? Listen, make it make sense. It's controlled power outages. They have picked who they gonna not give power to. They picked it. They picked who they gonna give power to. Look at this devil.
Which come on when it's
look at this devil.
But they come on when it's really needed, and the market allows them to charge. You know.
Let me turn this up, cause this devil up on here lying, talking about more power. Now you see downtown lit up.
That didn't happen. It's not because the peaker plants don't want to come on. They make a lot of money to come on. It's because they could not get those operational.
So it's snowing in Texas. Man, I don't know what's going on, but I put snow in some bowls, stuck it in a microwave, and it almost blew the microwave up. It was sparking like it had metal in it. I got it on the stove. It's not melting. I put it in the oven, and all it is getting hard like a rock. This ain't no snow, man. What's going on? Somebody tell me what's going on. Is it the government doing something crazy? Please tell me.